Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on NGStudio for the Today I want to show you how to fix Adobe Premiere Pro hardware encoding NVIDIA not appear or not working. Okay, let me show you directly this problem. On the previous video I'll show you that I make this problem on my G. Okay, now look at when you want to export a video. Here on setting, let me show you. On setting here, codec setting, you have mat codec via hardware codec. This in French, I translate in English. You have hardware codec, and when you read this inscription, this instruction, you have Intel here and not NVIDIA. You can see NVIDIA here. To fix this problem, what can you do? This is what I want to show you right now. First of all, you need to have NVIDIA graphic card. Let's see my drivers right now with you. As you can see, this is graphic card. Need to have NVIDIA graphic card. Okay, this is NVIDIA GTX 6060 Ti. Now, you need to go on nvidia.com and download NVIDIA Studio driver. Okay, there are two drivers. Let me show you right now. Let me show you all. Okay, open graphics. On graphics, into this is my driver. As you can see, there are NVIDIA Game Ready driver. Okay, and there are also NVIDIA Studio driver. When you install the first driver on your beautiful gaming laptop, this driver improve your gaming experience. It's so beautiful, it's amazing. And let's see properly what is this. Okay, get ready. This is GeForce experience. Let's open and let me show you right now what I'm talking about. Okay, what is this? Okay, this is the version studio. Okay, Visual Studio version. Okay, when you install this driver, the first driver is improve your gaming experience. It gives you something special for gaming. Okay, for gaming, but the best for video editing is the studio driver. In the studio driver, you have the thing that you need to have to boost your editing softwares. Okay, like DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, Adobe Premiere Pro. And as you can see, this driver is here. You can see NVIDIA Studio driver. This driver is here, and more information about this driver are here. Latest studio driver is out. Okay, as you can see, you can see new NVIDIA Studio driver brings support for DirectX 12 Ultimate and latest creative application updates. Okay, nice. Now under you have more information, but you can read. And what I want to see is under you can see Adobe Premiere Pro with the new Adobe Premiere Pro 14.2. Added video creator gain massive time saving with new GPU accelerated encoding. Adobe and NVIDIA have optimized Premiere Pro for the built-in NVIDIA hardware encoding on NVIDIA Quadro and GeForce GPUs. As you can see, this is not a joke. Is 5% is 5 faster for exporting because GPU accelerated encoding for is enabled. GPU accelerated encoding for up to 5x faster exports. This is not a joke. When you install this beautiful NVIDIA Studio driver, is enable this feature that you can read here just in front of you. Only like that you can fix this problem. You need absolutely to install this beautiful studio driver. Okay, this is what I have done. This is what I have done. As you can see, this is the last version. The last version, you can see it for update here, and it's added. You can add this NVIDIA driver with the brand new GeForce experience. Now, when you download this and you install, you will obtain something on Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. You obtain something to fix the problem that we have detected together. Now, let's see if NVIDIA appear on the hardware encoding. Let me show you the previous information that I had. Look at, you can see Intel here, just Intel here. Okay, now I want to change this to NVIDIA. To change this to NVIDIA, this is game ready driver. When you install game ready driver on your computer, you will obtain this Intel driver. This is gaming laptop. You will obtain Intel driver, and when you install now NVIDIA GeForce Studio driver, you will obtain what I'm talking about. Welcome. Let's see what now if you're working well. Crazy. Now CTRL plus M. Wonderful. Welcome. Now let's see the result. Make sure that you select what you want here and welcome. Let me do something. Let me clean all of this quickly. Delete V1. Okay, and now you have this is in French translation in English for you. Okay, this is software codec, and the first is hardware codec. Okay, when you click on, you need absolutely to do this. Click on hardware codec the first, and look at when it's you put the cursor into. Now NVIDIA is here. NVIDIA appear here. NVIDIA appear here. Let's see the previews. The preview, where is it before installation of NVIDIA GeForce Studio? Look at what like that. Look at this is like that if it was. I can use this. Now you have fixed this problem with NVIDIA Studio driver that you can download. Okay, this is not definitely not a joke when NVIDIA says that it is now available for Premiere Pro here. As you can see, it's not a joke. You need to have absolutely the version 14.2. Okay, let's see the version of my beautiful Adobe, which is the version 14 free, version 14, okay, 14.3.1. Okay, this is nice. Now I can do what I want. Okay, I can do what I want. Crazy. NVIDIA codec material. You can see NVIDIA here. You can see here. You can do what you want. And click on export. I put my computer on performance. Now look at, very fast, very fast. But you have not seen what is used, the GPU or the CPU. Let's try again another. Okay, do base v2 v1, okay, v1.1, do base, and let me see if the CPU is using. As you can see, this is NVIDIA GeForce GTX Ti. Look at here. Okay, now let's see if it's working well. Okay, it's enabled again. NVIDIA is here, and export. Let's see. Now look at that. Look at the NVIDIA. Now you can see 100%. 100% now you use. Wow, you use all of this. And this is my graphic card, my CPU. Wow, this is not a joke. Now is what is working. Is working. This is the difference between NVIDIA Game Ready and NVIDIA Studio Driver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and get with that. You can see it's very fast. The exportation is now very fast, and I like it. I'm so happy, and thank you, Jesus, for that. Jesus is really Lord. I like him. GPU now accelerated encoding for up to 5x faster exports, which is nice. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share, and get ready for the next video. There was my Asus Rock CG. As you can see, is working. Wonderful. Thank you for watching.